This is lesson 6.4, polygons and angles, peer tutor example C. All right, we're going to keep in mind as we're reading C, we're going to keep these key terms right in mind. So as we're reading this, underline or highlight these key terms. Taking a look at C. It says the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 36 degrees. What is that polygon called? Okay, the absolute most important word. In fact, I'd like you to try to quiz your classmates. Before you tell them this, ask them this question. Please go through this process. Ask them, what is the most important word in this problem? So I want you to just take a moment and ask yourself, what out of everything that we just highlighted, we highlighted several words here, which one do you think is the most important? Just take a moment, see if you can guess it correctly before you pose that to your classmates. The absolute most important word in this problem is. Because is an equal sign, and without an equal sign, you're not solving this problem. So from the is, let's build it. We are building, we want a single exterior angle, and we want it of a regular polygon. So we're coming up here, and how do we find an exterior angle of a regular polygon? It's sum over sides. But in this case, the sum over the sides is 360 over n. For an exterior. It's exterior, not interior. So using this, we're going to write the sum of the exterior, no, not the sum, we want one exterior angle. One exterior angle, and that's only for regular shapes. So I'm going to put regular there, equals sum over sides, which in this case is 360 over n. So we are told that 360 over n in this case is 36 degrees. We want to ask ourselves, what is that polygon called? Now, poly does not give us the number of sides. It's just a generic name for an any-sided shape. So the problem is we don't know whether that is a pentagon or a hexagon or a heptagon. We don't know which one it is. That's what we're trying to find out. So what we're trying to fish for is the n, which is the number of sides. Here's your starting equation. Cue your classmates to put this over 1, and now it's just a matter of cross multiplying, showing your work. So it's 360 times 1 equals 36 times n. You want to get n by itself. Divide both sides by 36. That goes in there one time. So what we have here is a 10-sided shape. Now I don't ask you just to say n is 10. I ask you, what is the name? So a 10-sided shape is a decagon.